Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and today I wanted to make a video called Barriers to Entry, What Every Land Investor Should Know or Could Know. I wanted to make this video specifically talking about the sales side of our business and what I've noticed, right? And it's one thing I've noticed that affects how quickly a property can and will be sold is the barriers to entry, right? So this might seem like common sense, but it sometimes it's all it takes is common sense. And for our owner financing deals, what I realized was that the lower monthly payment properties usually sell a lot faster because the amount of money that a person has to commit to paying every month is lower, right? So it's a less of a decision, and we see a clear jump when a payment is, let's just say, $100 or $200 compared to $400 or $500. And I've realized that the more simple and the more affordable we make the owner financing offer, we notice that it sells a lot faster because the barriers to entry for a customer to purchase this piece of land is low, and we try to keep it as low as possible while still being profitable. But yeah, that's one little thing to think about when you're pricing your properties or structuring your owner financing for your land deals. Try structuring it a little bit more of a deal and something that creates impulse where someone does want to own this property and they can afford to own it. It also works the same thing with cash deals, right? Is if for example, I'm sure you all know this, is the amount of buyers that exist on a $500,000 property or a $2 million property, that buyer pool shrinks like crazy. And like every 50,000 that you go up in price, the pool keeps shrinking smaller and smaller. And sometimes that's just the way it is. You don't need that many buyers. You need one buyer for a $2 million piece of land. But if you're in the volume space and you're doing mid-market or lower market stuff, and the more affordable price point, I've definitely noticed that the more you make it easier for someone to get into the property and purchase the property, the faster you'll be able to sell it.